Hello my dear students. Today I am going to discuss how do you remember the 7 basic crystal systems in solid state. Dear students, your brain is a super biocomputer and it can store so many informations. If you want to experience the memory magic, watch this video till the end. First of all, we have to understand what are 7 basic crystal systems. Dear students, when we study the structure of any three-dimensional crystal lattice, first of all we have to consider three crystallographic axes X, Y and Z. Now alpha, beta and gamma, these are three crystallographic angles between the crystallographic axes, and we can consider ABC as three unit lengths on the three crystallographic axes. Now if I give you the choice that you can vary the values of three crystallographic angles and the values of the unit lengths ABC, then how many possibilities are there? Definitely, theoretically, in your mind it will come that there will be infinite possibilities. But my dear students, from symmetry consideration, if we consider what we have observed, that there are only 7 possibilities. These are known as 7 basic crystal systems. Here X, Y, Z, these are three crystallographic axes, alpha, beta, gamma, three crystallographic angles, and A, B, C, these are basically unit lengths on three crystallographic axes. Now here I have considered simplest crystal system, that is known as cubic system, where A equal to B equal to C and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Now when you study about the 7 basic crystal systems, when you observe the parameters, it is a little bit difficult to remember all the parameters for all the 7 basic crystal systems. See the list here: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, trigonal or rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic. So now if you see the parameters, all parameters are given. Now my dear students, I am going to tell you the technique by which you can remember this table very easily. Now how do you remember these parameters? Dear students, remember, your brain can recognize a pattern, especially it can remember the associated informations. Now if you see the names of the 7 basic crystal systems, and I'm telling you there are 4 X systems: cubic, orthorhombic, triclinic, monoclinic, and there are 3 L systems: trigonal, tetragonal and hexagonal. Trigonal is also called rhombohedral. Now first of all you consider the X systems. Here in the 4 X systems, in case of cubic, A equal to B equal to C. In other 3 X systems, A not equal to B, not equal to C. I think now it is clear. Remember, cubic, which is the most simplest cubic system, here A equal to B equal to C. But in other X systems, remember from their term ik, that in other, apart from cubic, other X systems, A not equal to B not equal to C. Okay, now in the L system there are 3 L systems. In the L system, the first, that is trigonal. Like in X system first is cubic, here in the L system trigonal, this is the first member. So here both of these are a little bit similar, because here also A equal to B equal to C, because this is the first member of L system, this is the first member of X system. Remember like this. So here some similarities are there, A equal to B equal to C. But in other L systems, A equal to B not equal to C, A equal to B not equal to C. So my dear students, I think this is very clear. In L system, first member, that is trigonal, here A equal to B equal to C, exactly like in the X system first member is cubic, here A equal to B equal to C. But in other two AL systems, A equal to B not equal to C, A equal to B not equal to C. I think this is clear to all of you and already you have memorized. Friends, when you remember the angles, you first remember the angles of the AL systems. Here, trigonal, this is the first member of the AL system, so some similarities are there with the first member of the X system, that is with cubic. So here alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, but the difference is here equal to 90 degree, angles are equal to 90 degree, here not equal to 90 degree. So here tetragonal, tetra means 4, so 4 is an even number, so quite symmetric. So for that reason, remember like that, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Now hexagonal, now you know in hexagonal structure definitely one angle should be 120 degree, so it is very easy to remember, alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree, gamma equal to 120 degree. Now about this 4x system, first of all remember again that about cubic, easily, very easily you can remember. Now these terms orthodrombic and triclinic and monoclinic. First of all, triclinic is the most asymmetric systems. So here alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree and A not equal to B not equal to C. So very easily you can remember because the most asymmetric system, that is triclinic. Monoclinic, now again remember the term mono means one, so one angle should be different from 90 degree. So here alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, beta not equal to 90 degree. Now orthodrombic, just to remember that in the X system there are two systems are there where 90 degree angles are there, so that is cubic and orthodrombic. So like in this way you can remember the whole table, and I hope already you have memorized. So I think you have enjoyed the class and you have experienced the memory magic. Thank you very much.